Hi guys, this is Alex. Today I'm working on my car. It's a Audi A3 2006 with a diesel engine. It's got a BKD engine, and I do have an issue with this. As you know, this is a throttle body. Basically oil went into it, and I think it's got some sort of like short circuit or something like that. Basically I've got a check engine light on. I've tested the car, I put it on a tester. Yeah, everything made me believe that this would be the issue. I've cleaned it, it was full of oil, so I've cleaned it. You can clean this with brake cleaner, so you can find this in like many shops. Yeah, plan is to open this up, see exactly what's wrong with it, and yeah, I'm just going to fix it. So I'm gonna put my phone down. Now, as you can see, I'm working in a garage, a residential garage, so I've got access. I've got pretty much most of the tools that I need for this job. But you'll need something like this. Yeah, if you can't find something like this, it will definitely work with a screwdriver as well. So, as you can see, this edge here is sealed. Yeah, all you're gonna have to do is try to like put your screwdriver in there and open it up bit by bit, exactly the way I've done it here. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you should be able to. So you can see I've done it here, and I'm just going to basically continue all the way up. I'm using this because it's basically easier for me, but this is how you do it. I haven't opened it before, so this would be the first time I'm gonna open something like this. Don't think you need pretty much. Don't think you basically need skills to repair something like this. A friend of mine was telling me that fixing things is like 90%. You take it, you take parts off and put them back on, and the rest is just diagnose and you know exactly what to do. So this is exactly what I'm trying to figure out right now, trying to see exactly what to do next. Just going to continue to take this off. I'm sorry about the video quality. Might not be the best, but yeah, I'm new into this, and I don't know, if you like what I'm doing, then support my channel, and I'll definitely make more videos, because I'm planning to film everything I'm doing on this car, hoping that I can help other people fix their cars as well. So as you can see, this is full of oil. There's a circuit board here which definitely has been affected, so I'm just going to try and take everything off, see exactly, check if anything has been affected, and basically take it from there. There should be no oil in here, so I think you can see. If you can't, then yeah, there should be definitely no oil inside this. Basically I've got hybrid turbos, so why I suspect is because of the of the pressure. That's the reason oil went inside here. I can also see that it doesn't fully close. so there might be something wrong with it as well. Oh yeah, definitely there is. Look, if you look inside there, you'll see that's touching. Yeah, so it's definitely something wrong there as well. I think that. Right guys, so I've decided to use some WD-40 fast drying contact cleaner. Just gonna spray this. Yeah, so sprayed, and I'll use air duster just to dry it off. Right, so just realized something, because we was full of oil inside. Actually, there was a big amount of oil inside, and the reason I'm saying that, I don't know if you can see this, but this looks like an issue to me. So it's not going to basically, not going to be able to see. Oh yeah, maybe now. So there is a circuit here which looks like black. Yeah, so there is a bridge here. I mean, this and this I need to check for to see if this is continuous. Otherwise we might have an issue. Just going to check that. Yep, so I was suspecting this is not working. Yep, so what I need to do, I need to make a bridge here on these two. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, you should be able to see them now. Yep, now. Right, so this to this, I need to solder it together, and yep, that should do the job. This, just solder it, and now I'm just going to put everything back. So just finished putting everything back together. I'm just testing it. As you can see, it works. It didn't used to work before, so that's why it's not taking off. I've installed it back on the car. I want you to know that before you actually check this up, you need to make sure that fuse F24 is alright. So just check on this inside here. If you open it up, you've got the fuses. So F24 is basically, where is 22 is this one. Yeah, F24. You need to make sure that this fuse is good before you actually open that up or even change it. So first start of the car, just gonna put this down for a bit. Just gonna start it. It's a cold start, so I haven't started it before. I'm gonna check it up. Just want to show you guys exactly what was the error code that was triggered. Just gonna put this down. So basically, once I started, this check engine light should go off. Yeah, but let's see. Good. So P2102, this was the code that was giving me. Now let's start here and see exactly what's happening. Yep, so as you can see, the check engine light is off. That means my flap is working properly. Yeah, I know I've got no diesel. But as I didn't manage to basically clear the code, so let's see if it's still there. Alright, so it is there. I'm just going to delete it. Yep. Now if you scan it again, it shouldn't be there anymore, so it's not there anymore. So that was it for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys.